What's up, guys? So I'm back, part 2 of this broken hand build series. Today the plan is to try to take off these window gaskets and install new ones. So right now I've got the door panel off, as you can see. So we're just gonna like rip off the what's left of this right here and install new ones, because the old ones while driving make the windows rattle a lot. And I looked this up on YouTube. It should be a fairly easy job, but we'll see how long it takes me with a broken hand. It didn't take me that long to get the door panel off, but then again, I do know how to like where the screws are and everything, so we'll get right to it. We'll start picking at this old window weather stripping, and yeah. So I've got everything off, all the old stuff off, and now it's time to install that new one. Wasn't too bad of a job. I'm probably gonna have to take a vacuum in here and vacuum out a lot of the pieces that I broke off in there. It was just all fragile. As soon as I bent it, it broke, so that was the easy part. Okay, so we got these things on. I got the outside and the inside on. All right. That's the old stuff. It was fairly easy. Had to loosen this screw, but after that was done, it was a breeze. So I got new ones for the doors too, so these are gonna get replaced, but I will probably end up painting the doors and bringing those back to life, so stay tuned for that. This is the first side. The second side I'm gonna try to knock out here in a sec, but I'm not sure if I will be able to. And for now, the plan is to go out and buy some paint for the doors. I'm scared to paint because I usually use my right hand to paint, and my right hand's broken, so I'll try to do it with my left hand. I also need to sand down the doors a little bit, make them smooth, you know. So for now, the plan is to just take the doors off, leave them off while I find the time to sand those down, get those gaskets in that driver's side door. As you can see, the passenger side door is fine. I'm just see if I can record myself putting that window down. It goes up nice and tight. There we go, I think. Boom. Job all done. Make sure to follow me, like my previous videos, subscribe, and stay tuned for this truck build. This build is something you do not want to miss. One of one, rust-free 1983 GMC Sierra Classic C1500. Not many of these around. Has one repaint in the stock original color. Interior is getting done right now as we speak, like you guys saw. So if you guys are interested, make sure to hit me up on Instagram, DM me. I always leave my Instagram handle in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.